With Yulio, you have the ability to copy or move your VR projects within your Yulio account, as well as download scenes from your VR projects. Yulio's copy feature allows you to create an exact copy of any VR project for editing or sharing. The copy function will create an exact copy of your project and keep any scenes, hotspots, or floor plans you have already uploaded. To copy a project, log into your Yulio account and navigate to the project you would like to copy. From there, click on the 3 dots on the project and select Duplicate. Your project will begin copying. This should only take a couple minutes. Yulio's Move feature allows you to move a VR project to a new or different folder within your Yulio account. Moving projects will help out with project or folder organization and controlling who has access to the projects within your team. To move a project, log into your Yulio account and navigate to the project you would like to move. From there, click the 3 dots on the project and select Move. You can then select the exact folder you would like the project to be moved to. Yulio's Download Scene feature allows you to download individual scenes from any VR project in your Yulio account to your computer or device. To begin, log into your Yulio account. From there, navigate to the Projects page and select the VR project you would like to download a scene from. On the Edit VR Project page, click the download icon next to the scene you would like to download. You must download one scene at a time. Your scene will begin downloading to your computer or device. The file downloaded will be the original source file, so don't worry about losing quality. And that's it.